Hi, Mark from Appmixer here. In the previous section, you learned how to select multiple objects and thus save time while adjusting and organizing complex flows. Now, you'll learn how to copy and paste objects to boost your performance even more. For anyone who has used a computer in the past 20 years, the instructions will be pretty easy to understand. Just select the desired object and press Command or Control and C to copy the object, and then Command or Control V to paste the object. As you can see, the newly created or duplicated object is on the screen. You can even copy two objects if you want. So hold Shift, select multiple objects, press Command C and Command V. And as you can see, the newly created objects are on the screen as well. Now that you learned how to copy and paste objects, let me show you how to use the zoom in and zoom out feature in the Appmixer Designer.